Hey everybody, so we're going to unbox that big giant box that I don't have an idea what's in it, and I asked you guys to guess what's in it. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright. So this is that really heavy box. We're going to cut the box open, we're going to find out what's in it. And then we'll probably do unboxings and specifications videos on everything else separately. Alright, so it's a lot of wrapping. Probably a good 40 feet for the wrapping. Oh, I don't like that. I do not like that at all. There is literally no packaging in this box. Look at this. It's just thrown in here. No wonder the outside of this box is extremely damaged. Kind of stack these while we're on video. I have to move a couple items. Oh, come on. Just stay. Here's 3 5s. There's a lot in this box, and none of it was. They just threw all this wrapping on the top. They didn't like cushion it at all. I'm surprised the box isn't more damaged. That explains why the bottom of the box was trying to fall out. There's a kind of a hole there. You guys saw it at the beginning of the video. That's a little ridiculous on the packaging. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. There was 18 items in that box. And the reason there's 2 of the 600 lumen headlamps and 2 of these is because these were combos. So let me set you up on the tripod. Just to make it easier for you guys to see. We're going to extend the tripod up. Okay, and then we're going to point it down a little bit. Alright, so the way it was set up was these 2 items came in a kit. These 2 items came in a kit, in a bundle. These 2 came in a bundle. These 2 came in a bundle. These are all the rechargeable units, not the battery, not the AAA or AA. This came with the 8 amp hour came with I think it was free with the 7 to 9 inch grinder, which is this guy right here, the 2785-20, which is this big box right here. I'll give you guys closer. 8 amp hour came with this one, the high output. This 5 came with the 2863 half inch high torque 1 key. The second 5 came with the 2864-20, which is the 3/4 1 key, which is underneath the half. This one came with the 3/8 mid torque non 1 key model. There is 2485-20 1/4 inch right angle die grinder, and the 2486-20 1/4 inch straight die grinder. So that's everything that was in this box. There's still a bunch of things missing, but a lot of these in the stores you could test. Here's the pen light. This one you can test as well. This is pretty heavy. It's 500 lumens. It's got 3 modes, which is nice. 700 lumen. It's got a strobe function. Sorry about that. This one you can't test in the package. And this one, it doesn't look like you can test in the package. We'll do unboxings for each one of these items. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think that it was a little ridiculous that there was no packaging in the box? You think that Home Depot would have done a better job? These are not cheap tools. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. It's a pretty big Milwaukee haul. There's still stuff missing. Like, I wasn't expecting any of this because of the fact that the tracking only said I was supposed to get this today. This was all I was expecting. And the Milwaukee M18 1 gallon backpack vac were the only 2 items I was expecting today, and the DeWalt items. But you know, we'll take them, you know, apart. You know, this box is damaged on the 7 to 9 inch large angle grinder. This box is got a lot of damage and peeling. You know, they should have not have been just thrown in the box like that. They should have, you know, they could have put all the lights in a smaller box, you know, and contained it in the bigger box, and they could have put the batteries in their own box, and then they could have stacked all of these larger tools on, you know, the bottom of the box, and then they could have put the die grinders in with the batteries, or even in with the lights. You know, it didn't need to be thrown in the box like that. Let me know what you guys think down below about that. That was a little ridiculous in my opinion. But, you know, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, and my DJI affiliate links. Got more things coming. We got a miter saw to unbox. We got a miter saw stand to unbox. We have a table saw and the 1/2 inch mid torque, 3/8 mid torque. Whenever they get here. Appreciate your guys' time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!